you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to calibrate and troubleshoot the problem. This guide will help you ensure that your voice chat is functioning properly. Step 1. Check audio settings. Navigate to the game's main menu and select settings. From there, go to the audio section. Ensure that the voice chat volume is turned up and that the correct input and output devices are selected. Step 2. Verify microphone permissions. On your gaming platform, check that Cyberpunk 2077 has permission to access your microphone. This can usually be found in the privacy or settings menu of your console or PC. Step 3. Test your microphone. Before diving back into the game, test your microphone outside of Cyberpunk 2077. Use a voice recording application or a different game to ensure that your microphone is working properly. Step 4. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary issues. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and then relaunch it to see if the voice chat starts working. Step 5. Update gaming drivers. Make sure that Cyberpunk 2077 is updated to the latest version. Additionally, check for any updates for your audio drivers on your PC or console to ensure compatibility and performance. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with voice chat in Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your gaming experience.